Here we are at Armasight Night Vision. I'm with Carl Erickson. Armasight's bringing out a lot of new products this year, no exception. A new line is the Drakos line. IR lasers, visible lasers, IR illuminators. Walk me through what we got here.
All right, first we got Drakos 1. It is a invisible IR laser aiming device. It runs off of a AA battery or a 123 lithium battery. You have Drakos 2 IR, same thing. IR aiming laser on this side. Over here it has a IR illuminator. It runs off of an IR LED. Very, very tough. And then this one is Drakos 2 IR visible. You can tell by the name. It has the IR laser on one side, and culminated on the other side is the visible red laser. What's really awesome about this line here is these are all available to the civilian side of the house. Not only, I mentioned earlier, the interchangeability of a 123 or a AA battery, but what's really cool is I mentioned that it's culminated at the factory. In other words, both lasers are already zeroed together. Now, how do you zero them? The old military PQ2, stuff like that, you would have to adjust windage and elevation on each individual laser. What that does is it very fine adjustments on the inside. On this particular line, the Drakos line, your windage and elevation adjustments are back here, and you're actually doing the adjustments on the mount itself. Now, what that allows us to do is enclose these and make it virtually bomb-proof. This thing will hold a zero. It's very, very tough. It's great, great, great home run there for Armasight. In addition to that, I'd like to mention it, wireless remote control that you can mount anywhere on your weapon system, push that button, and it works. In addition, for our new soft forces, Armasight's coming out with the Drakos Pro. It has a focusable down infrared illuminator, but it also has culminated visible and infrared aiming lasers. Fully adjustable, not just for different intensities, but to zero them. Great, great tool. It even has a strobe function that you can hit. So let's say you're in the middle of a fight with a bunch of operators out there, dots everywhere. You can put yours on that strobe function. All right, that's my dot right there. I can identify where it is.
Nice
you can
feature.
also use it for pointing out for others. Great, great series.
One of the nicest things is Armasight's putting a product in, in everybody's hands. You have the operator system right here. Advanced military, and then if you're a civilian shooter, a hunter, whatever you might be doing, you have a line readily available to us. Just a casual shooter, so it's really great to see. One thing I just want to point out, these are designed to go on the black guns, and they will avoid the front sight. So when you mount this on a rail, if you're mounted on the top, it won't interfere with your front sight. Throw it on the side, wherever you want to go. A great line from Armasight. We got the new Drakos line. Carl, thanks again.